You're watching Hundertwasser, Connection to Nature. This is the drawing portion of the lesson. Are you ready to sketch? I sure am, but where do we start? We've learned so much information about the water crisis here in Hawaii, and I'm sure by now you are very familiar with the artwork of Hundertwasser. But how do we blend these two concepts together? I have an idea. Let's use our computer and search for some images to help inspire our idea for a water conservation system. For your information, we will be using Google to do our search. These are just some examples of the searches that I made on Google. You can certainly choose your own. Water Conservation Hawaii, Water Agriculture Images, Watershed, New Age Water Agriculture in Hawaii. Would you like to know how to save these images on your computer? Find the image that you would like to save, right-click or control-click on the image. When you see this window pop up, you'll select Save Image As, you'll rename the image, and you'll save it to your computer. Use this technique anytime you would like to save an image. Take about 15 to 20 minutes collecting images. Welcome back. I encourage you to use your higher level thinking skills and your imagination when you begin to draft or draw your idea. Remember, the goal here is to create a water conservation system which will 1. Work in harmony with Mother Nature, 2. Cleanse the waters from any pollutants, and 3. Create a sustainable way to share these waters fairly across all the islands of Hawaii. Next, we need to choose the pieces of Hundertwasser's artwork, ones that will inspire you in your drawing of a sustainable water conservation system. I will sometimes create a collage. This helps me organize my images into a pleasing layout before I begin to draw. Ma'auka to Makai, from the mountains to the sea. The supplies you will need: pencil, paper, eraser, Sharpie, or black marker. Please remember, in no way does your artwork have to look like mine. I'm only showing you my artwork so that you understand the creative process. Please watch the whole video before you begin. I would like to draw a monk seal in the bottom left corner of my paper, but to be honest, I don't know how to draw a monk seal. What I can do is take the image of the monk seal and turn the paper over. I will shade the back of the paper where the monk seal is located. I use a back and forth motion covering the whole area where the monk seal is. This will make a carbon copy. I turn my paper over and place it on my drawing paper. I then trace over the monk seal while holding my paper down firmly. I press firmly with my pencil. This leaves a copy of what I have traced on the drawing paper, and I can use those lines to help guide me. In my drawing, you will notice I used Hundertwasser's circle trees and design, while also incorporating the different water resources found here in Hawaii. Now it's time to outline our drawing. Go ahead and get your black marker. I will be using my thin and my thick Sharpie to outline my drawing. Ma'auka to Makai, from the mountains to the sea. Thanks for watching, and be sure to watch the next video where we will color our artwork. Aloha and mahalo.